Hello and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. So for today, I decided to cover USD Japanese yen and we'll speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the USD Japanese yen first. So what we can see here is that we had a rejection of the rising 50-day moving average, and since that rejection, market is trading higher day by day, and you can see just the continuation patterns on the way up. So this was like more like ascending triangle, rising lows, and there was a breakout. So at this point, market is just holding around the rising 10 and 20 moving averages. On the hourly time frame, you can see the weekly is breaking this inside wick. So the next upside objective short term is set at the price of 157.90 mark, and then we have a pin bar area and tail from, let's say, 160.30 mark all the way down to the 158.40. So that will be like a third objective area. So far, pretty much everything is in alignment and buyers are in control. On the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we had this down break. So this can be potential beginning of the downside structure. Short-term trend is to the downside. Market is trading below the declining 10 and 20-day and 50-day moving average. So there is a chance for a further drop. And I see potential for the retest of 57,000 mark, and then we have a 52,000 mark, and so on and so forth. So still on the weekly time frame, you can see this tail can be, there is a potential for the retest of this tail and eventual breakout of this pin bar low. So is this a beginning of this downside environment and continuational move? It can be, especially because we had this rally with no follow through, and now we have a downside break this morning. So pay attention to the downside, potential downside continuation of the Bitcoin. Dollar index is holding around the declining 10 and 20-day moving average, still with a rejection from the rising 50-day from last week. And I see potential for the retest of the high 105.75. And if market can break this level, this will be a good confirmation for the retest of 106.50 mark. On the weekly time frame, we can see that we had an inside week last week. So that is a basically sign of consolidation. And this is all happening just around our 50 bar and 50-week moving average at this point. So as long as the market can hold above 104.50 and we don't break and hold below this pin bar low, I give more chances to the upside on the dollar index. Gold market had a down break on the hourly time frame. It seems like we changed behavior in this area. So I do see potential for the further downside movement and potential retest of 2,307. And then eventual retest of 2,280 mark, which is the swing low area from the background. So pay attention to the downside movement. On the crude oil, we have a consolidation just around declining 10-day moving average. We have like a 5 to 6 days consolidation. If market really retakes 77 mark and hold below, there will be a chance for a bigger drop even towards the 71.50 mark or even 69.50 mark. And on the NASDAQ 100, so market is doing pretty much consolidation. We had an inside day yesterday, and in the last 4 to 5 days, we have a pretty much, consolidation that is going on. Massive resistances in the background, so around 18,350, 18,480. We have a massive resistance area. So there will be a still chance. On the hourly market is holding higher lows. But if we can see the break of this structure to the downside, there will be a potential for the downside rotation towards 70,000, let's say 18,000 mark again. So still, as long as market is trading below this key cluster, I give more chance for the short midterm downside development. So we just need a confirmation of that, of the change of the behavior from bull to bear. So we need to see that hourly first to break this structure. So that will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.